Hey everyone, welcome to Hitch and Hitch. As promised in my previous video, in today's video I'm going to talk about my YouTube setup and the equipment that I use as a YouTube beginner. I know many of you still thinking to produce your first video because you think that you need a perfect background, you need a good camera with a microphone and so on. In actual fact, you don't have to do all that. I did not buy anything new when I decided to create my video and post it regularly, and I have been doing that for the past 8 weeks, which is about 2 months right now. I've started in December and now it's February. I have produced my video every week continuously without even buying any new gadgets at all. So if you're interested the equipment that I use for my videos, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the setup that I currently have. As you can see, that's the background I'm using right now, and I'm using a holder with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus as my camera that I use to create all my videos. So yep, this is the setup. Okay, this lighting here, what I'll do is I will switch it on. So what I do is when I switch on the light, I will focus it to the wall because the light will reflect on my face and will give a very good lighting for my video. So this thing, I got it from shop. I think it's about 20 to 30 ringgit. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure you can find this thing in Amazon as well. It should be cheap, probably about 20 to 30 dollars. And this thing here, it moves. I mean, it rotates to any angle I like. So I can put it up here or down here like this. So I think this is a pretty good investment. I do have a tripod, but I prefer to use this because it gives a perfect angle for my video shoot, and I have a good distance from the background to the place where I'm taking my video. So if you're wondering the mode that I'm using, hold on, let me unlock this. Okay, I use live focus video because when I sit right in front of it, what it does is it gives me the blurred background for my video. Because I'm not using specific microphone, so I need to ensure that my surrounding does not have a very loud noise. So I have switched off my fan actually. That's why I don't have much surrounding sound right now, but downstairs TV is going on. For now, what I am doing is I will just close my door and I will just do my shooting. Usually I prefer to shoot my videos in the morning when everybody is sleeping because it's really quiet at that time. But there are times where I do videos in the evening because I just didn't have time to do it in the morning. So once I come back from work, I already have my makeup on. I will just straight on do my videos. Okay, so as for the editing, I am using my iMac. If you are thinking that you need to get iMac, well, actually it's not necessary. This iMac is 10 years old. Yep, it is 10 years old. Unbelievable, right? So I bought this in 2010, I believe. Because I want to do YouTube videos at the time, but it's just that I didn't continue doing it. So but I'm starting to do it, and this investment is a good investment. If you can afford it, yes, go ahead. Otherwise you can still use your laptop. I don't know whether Windows Movie Maker is still there or not, but I used to edit using Windows Movie Maker, but it was a bit slow. So iMac is definitely highly recommended because it does the processing is much faster than the Windows. Okay, so initially I was using the iMovie. These are the videos that I've made before, but right now I am using Final Cut Pro because it is so much easier, and I'm able to buy some presets from Envato, which cuts time much shorter than before. So this I bought this from Envato. The subscribe to the channel and get notified is not something that I made on my own. It's something that I purchased from the Envato. Other equipment that I used for my YouTube is I'm using the Asana to plan out my entire YouTube videos. I have my scripting, and as you can see, I have some content ideas around here. So I also plan out my social media, my blog content, and I have my goals and milestones. So I do bring my iPad everywhere because I do have my ideas flowing into my brain all the time. So having this iPad really helps me to streamline my thought into proper, and I will be able to access it anytime. So yeah, this has really helped. This is a Logitech keyboard, by the way. It does not come with the iPad. I bought this separately, and because it's easier to type compared to using the screen keyboard, I prefer to use this keyboard. You can also use a notebook. I do have a notebook where I jot down all my ideas, thoughts, and everything. So my goals, my action plan, some other things I pay for, whatever things that I need to take notes on, I write it all in this. This is different than this because this is about my content. I type out my scripts, my social content that I'm going to post on my Hitch and Hitched Instagram. Everything I plan in here. I don't like to write because writing is much longer than typing. Typing is much faster. Okay, so now that you know how I take my videos, what is my YouTube setup is like, and you can see that I don't have much fancy equipment. I don't have great background or anything. I just made do of my current study room or office room that I have in my own home as my studio. So you can pretty much do the same. You can use your bedroom. I've seen people start to do a video with the bathroom as a background because it was like a beauty makeup guru and so on. So it's up to you. People don't really care what is your background is like. They care about the content that you would like to share with them. So if you are someone who want to do YouTube videos and you have great content, then go ahead and share it. All you need to do is just start first, because eventually as you start, you will learn how you want your video is going to be. You will only learn that when you start doing all your videos. For me, after 8 videos, I know exactly how I want my videos to be right now. I can my mind kind of always thinking how I want to make my next video, what sort of music I want, how the setup is going to be. It all comes into my mind. I always think about it. On my next video, I'm going to talk about how I do my scripting, because I truly believe that scripting is the one which is saving me from wasting a lot of time. I know exactly what to talk, the flow of my entire video, and when I don't have script, I just don't know what to talk about. The content of my video is really haywire, and scripting is really important. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video, and also press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload my video. For your information, I upload my video every Sunday. That's all for now. Bye!